What is pi? So a long time ago, someone noticed that no matter what circle you look at, the sun, the earth, or the moon, if you get the circumference of the sun, which is c, and then you divide it by the diameter, which is 2r, from here to here is r, so 2r would be the diameter. If you get the circumference divided by the diameter, which is 2r, it will be a special number. And then if you look at the earth, if you get the circumference of the earth, and then you divide it by 2r of the earth, you're going to get that same special number. If you look at the moon, if you get the circumference of the moon, and then you divide it by 2r, it will be the same special number. No matter what circle you look at, if you look at your mug, let's say you've got a mug here. If you look at your mug, if you get the circumference of the mug, which is c, and then you divide it by 2r, which is the diameter of the mug, you're going to get this same special number. This number keeps on cropping up all the time. It turns out to be roughly 3.14 something, and it goes on forever. 3.14 something, and it goes on forever. Rather than writing this same number again and again, we just use a Greek letter, pi. So pi is really someone noticing that if you get the circumference divided by 2r, this number keeps on cropping up all the time, and it's actually pi. Well, we just use this symbol to represent that number, pi. But pi is 3.14 something something, and it goes on forever. So knowing that if you get the circumference divided by 2r, it will be this same constant, this same number. This number doesn't change. It's just a number. If you times both sides by 2r, it will give you this. 2 pi r. So this is a famous formula which you will meet in maths. The circumference is given by 2 pi r. You're going to meet this in the future, okay?